welcome to Daiwiki. This is my brother Daiwik, and this is me, Daiwik. Today I'm going to tell you. This week my teacher told me about how to do a pipe cleaner glasses. So I'm doing this for you to watch. Okay. The materials are 2 pipe cleaners and scissors. Okay, so that's it. This activity is very easy to do. Like, it will be very easy and fast to do. So this is a fast video. So first step, we need to put the end of the pipe cleaner, one pipe cleaner end, and put it in the middle like this. And then do that same thing to the other end. Did it? See? Now we need to build 2 temples. First, we need the scissors and cut it in half. Now we need to put it at here. And then the same thing as the other side. Okay, it's done. Let's try it out. Ta-da! Adi, try yours.
No.
Try yours. Oh. Serious.
No.
Okay. See? It's already fast. It's already done. Not even a minute. This is the end of the amazing, cool glasses video. Please subscribe, ring the bell, see you next time. Bye! Googly eyes!